model, 63-plate Volkswagen Caddymaxi C20 Startline 1.6 Tdi bmt spares or repairs bodywork Startline Tdi bmt. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 170597. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6 Tdi 102 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is below average with some wear and tear. The exterior will require some attention to get it back on road. It will need a bumper and the rear quarter looking at. Interior is in decent, average condition, still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows, cruise control, aircon. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, Cat S in 2018. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.